Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. Cognizant has changed its pattern completely, and Cognizant hiring for 2027 batch is also announced. It is currently on campus, right? Off campus might come later, so that detail we do not have it. But in this video, I am going to tell you, so what is the pattern change, the packages, what about Cognizant, Genc Next, right? Genc Pro, that kind of roles, okay? And what will be the exam pattern, each and everything. When the timeline is there, that also we will be able to see, okay? Now, so friends, here you see Cognizant Ace Frontier Engineer program, okay? So be among the first, be an ace. Overview. The AI era is redefining what it means to build technology careers, and Cognizant is investing significantly in the talent that will lead this shift. The company has introduced the Cognizant Ace Frontier Engineer program, a campus hiring initiative built around the frontier engineer role. This program is designed to develop AI builders, engineers who go beyond deploying technology and take end-to-end ownership of converting AI investment into measurable business outcome for clients. Okay, so that you leave. Now, the very important thing here is the CTC. So now they are offering around 12 lakhs per annum for associate and 18 lakhs per annum for senior associate. So if I'll talk about, the previous their hirings, right? So Genc Pro, okay, Genc Next, okay. So there were 3 roles were there, and now also these roles are there basically. But if you do not get selected for any of this role, then you will be getting this particular role. So earlier the highest package was around 7 LPA. Actually it is 6.75 LPA, but let's take 7 LPA, and the minimum was around 4 LPA, right? Okay, but now the package, if you'll see, there is a huge spike in the package, so that way one way it is good. But when the salary increases, definitely the difficulty level will also increase. So final level is determined through the assessment and interview process, okay? So who all are eligible? So 2027 Btech Mtech batch, minimum 60% throughout 10, 12th and UG. So 10, 12th and UG, minimum 60% throughout is required, and Btech Mtech, no standing areas are eligible. Okay, next. So important points. So ACE team includes a built-in fallback path. Now this is very, very important. This you need to understand. So candidate not selected in round 3, ACE team interview. So there are 3 rounds are there here. So the first round remains same, online assessment, communication plus aptitude. Friends, if you want me to make a video on this Cognizant, okay, so please write Cognizant in the comment section. So with complete syllabus, what exactly will be asked in communication, what exactly will be asked in aptitude. But I also wanted to tell you, friends, see, there is already a free video here, Cognizant previous year aptitude. So here now you will be able to know that what are the difficulty level of this Cognizant aptitude question, right? So this is me only. This is me only, okay? So you cannot say no sir, somebody else is teaching. So what kind of question comes, the some 1 hour of the free video is there. So this, if you go to this particular link, you will be able to see this free video, okay? And the main thing is Cognizant now, they keep changing their pattern. So we have already launched Cognizant Crash Course 2027 based on the new pattern. I know many of you will tell, sir, you are selling the courses, sir, you are doing this, sir, you are doing that. But at the end, if you get selected, right, 12 lakhs or 18 lakhs package, that's all, this 800 rupees, definitely the price will increase, because we have to see topic wise practice test, coding, technical recorded videos, game based aptitude and aptitude, okay? So this aptitude will cover 2 things, aptitude plus game based aptitude, both will be covered, and then coding will be there, right? Okay, anyway, and communication round. So communication round videos are also there on YouTube. Communication round videos are there inside the courses also. So see, introduction to course, Cognizant previous year question, live recording, Cognizant exam screenshots, previous questions, right? Recorded Cognizant online test, new pattern. So already we have done that, and we are also going to do more and more videos for you. See, English communication, right? So communication round videos are also there, okay? So that we will be doing it. 800 rupees is a very small amount, but trust me, this, if at the beginning of your placements, if you're not getting selected, it will be very, very tough for you because you lose your confidence. Okay, and don't regret later, take a step now. So definitely the price will increase because we will be enhancing the material a little more, right? So we are waiting for the this particular hiring itself. So online assessment, communication plus aptitude. So Friday 14th of August, in person technical assessment will be there. So this will be offline 18 to 26th of August, and then in person interview will be there 25th of August to 7th of September. So by September you will be getting the offer letter or the selection mail from Cognizant. Okay, so once preferred dates are confirmed with this, so this particular hiring link you will be getting from your college because it's on campus. Cognizant will share registration details and coordinate the assessment process. Okay, now, so this line, as I was telling, it is very, very important. So round 3 is in-person interview. So candidate not selected in round 3, ACE team interview, that means they're talking about in-person interview, will automatically be evaluated for the Cognizant Genc next programmer analyst role. So if you don't get through, then you will be getting Genc next programmer analyst role, and that CTC will be 6.75 LPA before the candidature is closed, right? So based on round 2 technical assessment performance, candidate may also be mapped to a direct Genc next interview at a later stages. So basically here you will be getting Genc next. Okay, so Genc Pro and Genc role is, for now we are not able to see. Maybe in off campus they might be bringing it, right? So this is the information which I wanted to give you in this particular video, my dear friends, and this course is definitely going to help you a lot in your exam, in your preparation, because we always write, so bring latest questions which was asked, okay, latest pattern, and just blindly go through it, you will never regret. Thank you, take care, all the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself.